Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. Maybe you solve this expression like this first. 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. And we have one multiplication here. And 0 times 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Now 0 times 4 is equals to 0. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression like this. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So according to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. And we have here, let's rewrite the expression 9 minus 9, and we have one multiplication here and 4. Now, according to the PEMDAS, this multiplication comes before this subtraction. So we have to solve it first. 9 times 4 gives us 36. And now 9 minus 36 gives us 27. The final answer is 27. Thank you for watching.